You know those little things you use every single day? Straws, backpacks, cans, even forks. Turns out, a lot of them have hidden features or intended uses that most of us completely ignore. Today, I'm going to show you everyday things you've probably been using wrong your whole life. Let's start with soda cans. Ever notice that the little tab you use to open the can has a hole in it? Most people think it's just there for design. But actually, once you open the can, you can spin the tab around and it becomes a holder for your straw. It stops the straw from popping out while you're drinking. It's a small thing, but it makes sense when you see it. Now, toothpaste. We've all been trained by commercials to cover the entire toothbrush with toothpaste, like a thick blue and white stripe. But dentists say you only need a pea-sized amount. Anything more is just wasting product and money. Kids especially shouldn't use too much because of the fluoride content. So yeah, we've been overdosing on toothpaste thanks to advertising. Here's one that blew my mind: backpacks. That little diamond-shaped patch you see on some backpacks? It's not just decoration. It's called a lash tab or pig snout. It was originally designed for camping and hiking, so you could pass cords or ropes through it to tie extra gear to your bag. Today, most people don't even know what it's for. Another classic: one Tic Tacs. Have you ever shaken the box and dumped a handful out? The container was actually designed to release one Tic Tac at a time. If you turn the box on its side and open the lid slowly, you'll see a little groove in the plastic. That groove perfectly holds a single Tic Tac. The design was clever, but nobody seems to use it that way. Let's talk forks. Most people just think they're simple eating tools, but that flat edge at the back of some forks. It was meant for cutting soft foods when you don't have a knife. Not every fork has it, but the ones that do were designed to be multi-use. Here's another one you'll love: Chinese takeout boxes. You know the folded paper boxes? They're actually designed to unfold into a plate. If you carefully pull the sides apart, the box opens flat, and suddenly you've got a plate for your food. It's perfect for sharing, and it's literally been in the design the whole time. And straws, plastic straws to be specific. A lot of people chew on them or just use them normally, but if you're drinking from a soda can, remember that hole in the tab? Yeah, that's exactly where the straw should go. Last one: keyboards. That little raised bump on the F and J keys? It's not random. It's there so you can find your way back to the home row without looking. Professional typists rely on those bumps to type faster. Most of us never even think about it. All these things show us something funny. Designers often put small features in the products to make them more useful, but people either forget or never learn how to use them. So the next time you pick up a soda can, a backpack, or even a box of Tic Tacs, you might notice that you've been doing it wrong your whole life.